Hello once again. Today I am going to be reviewing a beer I've never had before, Curious Parrot by Mill Street. This is what it says on the label, a golden ale, but I believe it's more of an American blonde. Alcohol content is 5%, your standard beer. Let's pop the cap open and give it a try. It says on the back, this is why we sometimes let our brewmaster out of the brewery. While on vacation, he came across his distinctive style of old golden ale, brewed with loads of aroma hops for a strong pine citrus scent, but without the excessive bitterness of West Coast IPAs. A bright white head on a burnished golden body makes this beer a thing of elegant beauty. Curious indeed. I happen to like West Coast IPAs. I think I like that bitterness. Give it a pour. And as you can see, it's a little over a summer's worth of head on a light amber color. It's not clear. How does it smell? Instant pine. Some citrus. Wrath, light caramel, and toffee. It actually smells a lot like an India Pale Ale. How does it taste? Well, it smells like an India Pale Ale, but it's not as bitter as an India Pale Ale. Not as complex as what you get on the nose. It's still pretty good though. Solid pine, citrus, and grass flavor. Caramel notes towards the finish. What really stands out is the lack of bittering aftertaste. There's hardly any aftertaste to this beer at all. Mouthfeel, leaning towards the leaning towards the light side of a medium body. Low carbonation. The mouthfeel combined with the lack of bittering aftertaste makes this a really drinkable beer. I could probably drink about 10 of these. Yet there's still enough aroma and flavor to hold interest. This is one of Mill Street's better offerings. Overall, I'll rate it a 7 out of 10. I swear, I only burp when I drink beer when I do reviews, I swear to God. Probably because I drank them so damn fast. It's kind of like an aged IPA. Would I recommend this beer? Yeah. If you like pale ales but you don't like bitterness, this beer's for you. It's refreshing, it's delicious. And it's light. This will definitely be a session ale. If they serve this at a bar, that's what I'd be drinking all night. But alas, they don't serve it at any bar I know of. Damn. Anyways, that's it for my beer review. Take care all. Bye.